This is AS Maths Notes Pure, and we're looking at Unit 2. So this is just a wee bit of revision then of algebraic fractions, things you would have done kind of from GCSE. So simplify the following. So what do we have here that's going to cancel? That 4 and the 16 are going to go to give us a 1 and a 4. Next term then the x and the x squared. So that x is going to go with the x squared. Y and y squared. The y is going to go with the y squared, and the z is going to go with the z squared. So what do we end up with? On the top, all we're left with is an x. On the bottom, we have a 4yz. My number one rule for any of this at GCSE is factorise, factorise, factorise. And if you take out your common factors to start with, it just means you don't make any kind of fewer silly mistakes, I suppose. So there's a common factor of 3 comes out here. So I would rewrite this as 3 upon 3a plus 1. All over 3a. Now, such a common mistake is here. People think that the 3a and the 3a are that's a factor down there, 3a, but the 3a here isn't a factor. You can't take out the 3a. So the only thing it cancels here is a 3 on the 3, and that tidies up then to give us 3a plus 1 all over a. Next one, same rules, factorise. Hopefully there'll be a common factor. The common a comes out there. Over here, difference of 2 squares. A plus 3 upon a minus 3. So you can see the common factor here, a plus 3 and a plus 3. So they go. And that gives us, on the top line we have a, and then a minus 3. You can have the bracket around that one if you wish, but there's no need. Example D. So we have 4a squared over b multiplied by b squared over a. Again, year 9 maths tells us we can cancel things on the top and the bottom. So that b goes with one of the b's there. One of the a's there goes with that there. So we have, that's a 1 really, and a 1 effectively. So 4a times b, so that's 4ab over 1, and that gives us 4ab. Example E, again factorise if I can, so hopefully you can spot that's difference of 2 squares. So we'll do a couple of steps here, hopefully you can follow them. So that's going to be a plus b upon a minus b all over 45, and I'm going to, because it's a fraction here we're dividing, I'm going to turn it upside down and multiply 36 over a plus b. So the a plus b here goes with the a plus b here. Common factors here, they both divide by 9. That goes 5 times. That goes 4 times. So we can write 4a upon, a minus b over 5. And another way of writing the same thing here is 4/5 a upon a minus b. Part F, 5 over a plus 2 over a plus 1. This is a weird one here, again we get used to this, but there's no common factor there between a and a plus 1, even though there's nothing I can multiply a by to give me a plus 1. So we just need to multiply top and bottom of this one by a plus 1, top and bottom of this one by a. So it's going to be 5 upon a plus 1 all over a upon a plus 1 plus 2a plus 1. I hope you see what I've done there. So I've written the equals, so I think this is equal to this and this is equal to this. I have my common factors here. Putting them over a common denominator, which is of course a upon a plus 1. And then multiplying this out at 5a plus 5 plus 2a. Final line then really 7a plus 5 all over a upon a plus 1. Again, if you wish you can multiply the bottom line, giving you a squared plus a, but not necessarily required. Our final example then is G, and again we need to multiply top and bottom of this one by x plus 1, top and bottom of this one by x minus 2. So that gives me 3 upon x plus 1 all over x minus 2 upon x plus 1 minus 5 upon x minus 2 all over x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Join them into a common denominator. So that's going to give me, let me see, bottom line is x minus 2, x plus 1, all over 3 upon x plus 1 minus 5 upon x minus 2. Do be careful there with that minus, we're taking away all of this. That confuses people from time to time. Multiplying out my top lines gives me 3x plus 3 minus 5x plus 10. Again, as I said, be careful there. All over x minus 2, x plus 1, and then tidying that up, 3x take away 5x is minus 2x, and then 3 plus 10 is 13. X minus 2